Now, the question is how to deal with nicotine withdrawal. For that, let's understand what this withdrawal is. So, if you remember, when you smoked your first cigarette for the first time in your life, you were not feeling very comfortable about it. Because at that time, the body was not used to having that cigarette, that is smoke, that nicotine. So gradually you practiced it, and over a period of time, then you became accustomed to it, and then you started feeling comfortable and enjoying it. Similarly, now you are at the stage where you continuously take cigarette, and now when you quit smoking, the body is not used to not having nicotine, and so that is why it gets the urge of having it, and this phase is called withdrawal. But how to deal with withdrawal? Let's understand that withdrawal is actually healing for the body. You don't have to deal with it. It's a phase of detoxification. It's a phase where this body is a miracle. It is healing itself naturally. So let's examine some of the symptoms of withdrawal. So the symptoms are like headache, like mood swings, like excessive hunger, mucus coming out, tingling in the hand or legs, sore gums, excessive urge to smoke. So what is a headache? When a headache comes, it means that the constricted blood vessel in the brain is opening up, and because it is opening up, it is coming back to its normal state. It got constricted because of excessive use of nicotine, and it is opening up. It is healing actually. Let's understand what mood swings is. Mood swing is, because of nicotine, the natural reward system in the brain, that natural process of the release of dopamine, endorphins, and all those neurotransmitters, that natural process was hijacked. But now that you have quit smoking, this natural process is getting back to its normal situation, and that's why you feel those mood swings. But that's a sign of healing. For example, excessive hunger. When you used to smoke, within 10 seconds of smoking, the body releases sugar into the bloodstream. But now that you don't smoke, that sugar release does not happen immediately, and this metabolism in the body is getting back to its normal situation, and that's why you feel increased hunger. And increased hunger does not mean that you have to put on weight, and we'll discuss that I'll keep that for some other time. We'll focus on withdrawal here. So excessive hunger is a sign of healing. It is coming back to its normal state. Mucus coming out means the lungs are healing. The tingling in the legs or the hand, it means there is excessive supply, because excessive supply of oxygen in the body now. So when you smoke, carbon monoxide goes into the body, the level of oxygen reduces in the body, and the body finds it very difficult to work at its normal pace. We become lazy or slow in our productivity. But when you quit smoking, there is an excess. The normal supply of oxygen is there in the blood, and that is why you feel that tingling. That's healing. The oxygen supply is coming back to normal. Similarly, sore gums. Sore gums means the circulation of the blood in the body. The circulation is coming back to normal. The circulation was being choked by the presence of nicotine, and because that circulation is getting back to normal, you are feeling those sore gums. Excessive urge that you feel during this time, it means what? So within an hour of smoking your last cigarette, the nicotine level reduces by half, and that is why that urge comes from within, that you need the next cigarette. Within 3 days, 99.9% of the nicotine is flushed out from the body naturally. And once it is completely flushed out within 3 days, you don't get any physical craving for that matter to smoke a cigarette. So, all these symptoms of withdrawals are actually the healing for body. Let the body heal itself. Enjoy it. It's fun. You are, whatever you have done for years, decades to this body, the body is healing itself. And within a period of 1 to 2 weeks, it will come. The withdrawal symptoms will completely go out, and the body will come back to its natural state. So let the body do its job. Withdrawal is a sign of healing and detoxification. So you don't have to deal with it. You just have to have fun and enjoy the phase of withdrawal. Cheers.